Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to add a new file inside the media library. So let's go inside the Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the media library. We can see it over here. We have two subfolders, Summer Campaign and Summer Food, and for the Summer Food we have another subfolder named Fruits. We can also see our folders over here. In order to add a new file inside the media library, you simply have to click over here or to drop your file over here. So let's click over here. I have selected my file and now I have to click over here. And now I can see my file over here. In case you want to add a file to a particular folder, you are going to have to go to that particular folder and then once again click over here. And then once again click over here. And by going back to the folder, I can see my file over here. In case I want to add it to this subfolder, it's basically the same process. I'm going to go to the folder that I want to upload the image to, and I'm going to click over here. And once again on upload, and I can see my image like so. So it's that simple to add a new image. You can either stay on My Media and drop your files, or click over here to upload your files, or you can click on a folder where you want to upload your file and then once again click over here in order to upload your file. Until next time.